Alright guys, today we're working on the 79 C20. We have an intake leak, and the reason we've determined that is for a few reasons. First off, whenever you drive it when it's cold, it seems to run pretty good, and when you're driving, even when it's warm, at high RPM, it does good. But as soon as you come down, and it's supposed to idle down, it doesn't like to idle down. It likes to high idle, and when it does that, it likes to smoke. We're thinking that one of the intake ports is sucking oil into it, causing it to smoke. It also likes to flood, it likes to have erratic idles, and when we put the vacuum gauge on it to dial in the carburetor, it was acting a little bit weird. Didn't want to get the vacuum we wanted out of it, and we took and sprayed it with some brake clean. The brake clean determined that we do have an intake leak, so in this video we're going to take care of that.
You dropped it, sir. So now we're going to dive in. So he's going to explain as he does it, and hopefully it helps you on your adventure.
Vacuum hose. Right there.
Give it the old reach around.
Yes. Alright. Oh, I thought I had the right wrench.
Just undo
you can tell it was a lot of fuel.
Just undo the level line.
Get that loose here.
You might want to put something under this to catch the gas.
We're not.
No, we're not going to, but you should.
OSHA violations and such.
It ain't a violation. It's just, I don't think, but... Oh, it's dry. Oh, what's buzz?
That's good. Alright.
You're going to leave the carburetor attached, ain't you?
I can. Won't hurt nothing. That side.
You can leave your carburetor on or we move it. Either way.
I never noticed that bypass. That's cool.
Yeah, I noticed that the other day.
Didn't notice that.
And then you want to take off all your linkages and stuff. And sometimes you do have to loosen your carburetor to get that one linkage to come loose. Okay, I'm going to set your phone right here, sir.
That loose. That under there.
Well, we definitely got a catch pan. You know?
Looks delicious.
It does.
I'll put that one to...
Once you get your linkages disconnected, you need to make sure it's stop dead center and mark your distributor. Because you got to take the distributor out to change the intake gasket. Joys.
Oh, we have to take the carburetor loose to take it linkage loose. Yeah. Carburetor is off.
The gasket still looks brand new. Look at that.
Where did I pull that out of?
What, that? That's how that back part right here.
That's probably another vacuum leak. Well, we'll put RTV around that when we put it back in. That pulled out, so we're just going to put a little bit of RTV around it when I put it back on. This gasket is brand new. Even if it wasn't, I have more, but we're just going to reuse this one because this one looks good. Alright, let's see.
Distributor, spark plug.
Oh, yeah. Spark plug.
Top dead center.
Oh.
Or you just
mark it?
You can mark it either way. And then we're going to mark it for the rotary button.
Oh, I almost fell. Stupid, cheap, crappy stool. Stupid hot intake.
You gotta mark the rotary button or we won't know what it is. So we need to take the cap out.
James, why do you have to make stuff so much simpler on us? Where's my screwdriver?
Oh, I'm just saying because if we don't, we won't know where to put it back. Then we have to wait down the whole motor.
James,
Give it, Mom.
you still haven't learned. I like to do stuff the hardest of ways. I'm going to let you do that so you're actually doing something.
I mean, you can look at this. It's right here, actually.
Yeah, it's right in the front.
A little bit towards set number 2. Right here. I think it's right here.
The way you mark that, it's in between the line and the wiring.
You want to pull the plug?
Yeah, pull the plug wires off. Well, you can lift it straight up and actually see it. Make sure you break it out clip on a brand new distributor.
If they didn't make stuff cheap, we wouldn't have it away.
Well, the rubber button's perfect. Everything looks good in there. Call that great. Alright.
We took a Sharpie and marked where the rotary button is. We marked it up. And it's kind of almost at number 2 pointing. And then we got it marked right there on the valve cover. So we can put it right back in place so we don't have to time it. Smart.
Oh my god, camera. Stop it. Stop it now.
I pulled the hose. Back into a catch can down here.
Yeah. Catch can's working good.
It's working real good. It's gonna be full up at this rate.
Yeah, I mean, we might as well take this one off too. I got the hoses off. We're gonna go through and take all these intake bolts off.
Remove the alternator bracket depending on your style of intake. And we got 6 bolts on each side. So we're gonna get them off and we're gonna get the money shot. Just getting it lifted up, and then we can see what shape them gaskets in. See if we gambled and we paid off, or
We checked it with brake plates, so I think our gamble is not that much of a gamble.
okay then.
You know what?
I got a swivel though, so
You want to know something?
it wasn't tight.
It wasn't tight.
I mean,
That one was very, very loose. So maybe we should have just tried tightening up first.
you know, there's been 2 things we should have maybe tried.
Well, there's a lot of things we should have maybe did, but we
Didn't.
didn't. They super glued this sucker.
We can get a crowbar. But
Yeah, we need a pry bar. This little screwdriver ain't doing it. Get by them if it's going to just wreck the valve.
how about try the thermostat housing again? Fit surface all cleaned off now, and we moved. And Kentucky touched his valve covers up with some paint. And he's got a surprise for us very shortly. I need to scoot your side down in, I guess that I am.
Get a good grab on
Yeah, feed your side in. I'm scared to touch anything right now because they silicone everywhere. Silicone, you know?
Hey James,
What?
it's not 5/8.
What is it?
It's smaller.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Smaller than a 5/8, huh? Ready when you are, sir. Hold it. We made a noob. Battery. Try it. Hold it. Think it needs retarded?
Yeah.
God dog, that's tight. Try it though.